Good morning, dear students. Today I will start the image formation by a concave mirror when the object is at different positions. ऑब्जेक्ट का पोजीशन क्या क्या होगा और उस पोजीशन पर उसका इमेज कहाँ फॉर्मेशन होगा, नेचर ऑफ इमेज क्या होगा, साइज ऑफ इमेज क्या होगा एंड पोजीशन ऑफ इमेज क्या होगा, इस सारी बातों का हम आज चर्चा करेंगे। हमने प्रीवियस क्लास में भी आपको ये बताया था कि only I have shown you in a concave and convex mirror by taking two rays. Today I will take the object. I will show you the image formation. So आज आप ध्यान देने की कोशिश करें, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है रे डायग्राम्स and image formation. ये all 6 types of image will be formed here. And two more I will show you by using the convex mirror. So हम आपके सामने बनाएंगे, आप उसको जरा ध्यान से देखिए how I am making it. पहला केस, ऑब्जेक्ट अगर ये मिरर है मेरा, concave mirror, it is your principal axis. Why? Because it is a, imagine it is your center of curvature, somewhat like this, C, and definitely object is coming from infinitive, and it is your F, half of the C, half of the center of curvature. It is well known. The 2 points I have shown, it is your focal point, P. Pole. Now, object is coming from infinity. So what you are taking? Position of the object is at infinity. At infinity. मतलब undefined. Yes. So image is formed where position of object infinity, position of image at F, focal point, size of the image, point size diminished, काफी छोटा, और पॉइंट साइज इमेज है, नेचर ऑफ इमेज इन्वर्टेड रियल है। पहला पार्ट में पूरा किया। Now the children we will go to the second. Now look at here. Now again it is your concave mirror. Second case, it was first when object is at infinity. Now I will show you now what happens? It is your center of curvature, C, center of curvature, and then half of it is a focal point, it is a P, pole. Okay. Now, object is where? At infinity. Now I am showing you, object is at object is between infinitive, and center of curvature. Object का infinitive and center of curvature. that is beyond C. आप कर सकते हो infinitive dot center of curvature और beyond C. अब देखिए इसमें कैसे होता है. आप पर you know the before that how the ray movements are there, how ray will fall, what is angle of incidence, what is angle of reflection, and what is the normal. First you know the parallel ray will strike the mirror. Upon reflection it will pass through the focus. Reflector ray has passed through the focus. And the second, you are aware of that, it will pass through the center of curvature. The image will be like this, and it will be this. The same, the reflector rays also will be passing on the same line because it is passing through the center of curvature. The previous class I have taught you. So what will be the image when reflector ray intersected? This is your point for the image. This is your image. Now, अगर आप इसे A B बोलते हैं, तो इसे बोलते हैं A dash B dash. तो कैसा इमेज बना है? अगर ये आपका A B है तो ये होगा A dash B dash. So what is the image? The position of the image कहाँ है? It is between center of curvature and focal point. What is center of curvature and focal point? Between center of curvature C and F, nature of image diminished, छोटा हो गया है. Size of image क्या होगा? Diminished. Diminished. और कैसा है ये? Inverted है, उल्टा है. मेरा इमेज ऐसा था, उल्टा inverted. Inverted and real. So this is the second point we are clearing it. Now I don't think you should have any doubt on this. We will go in the third part. The pay attention. पहला केस का ऑब्जेक्ट है meridian, then image was at focal point. The second case, when image is shifting towards the pole. Image is shifting towards the first, it was in between, then beyond center of curvature. Now it will go to the center of curvature. Thereafter, it will be between center of curvature and focal, and then it will go to the focal point. So image will be moving like this. Object will be moving like this. The image you will get. You need to take. Now third case क्या है? थर्ड वही लिखो तो थर्ड वहां दिया. सेम. थर्ड केस. मैं इसको थोड़ा सा मिनिमाइज करता हूं. Now children, again we will show you now what exactly happens. This is your principal axis. It is your P, and imagine it is your center of curvature C, and it is your F. Now center of curvature. Now object will be where? Infinity and center, beyond center of curvature आपने लिया था. अभी क्या लेंगे हम? थर्ड केस में ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर हमने लिया. ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ है? एट सी. अब व्हाट टाइप ऑफ इमेज विल बी फॉर्म? यू नीड टू सी इट. जस्ट लेट अस. It is a parallel rays to the principal axis, and after reflection, all of you are aware of that, it will pass through the focus of that. After it will pass through the focus. And second ray, it will pass through the focus. It will second, it will pass through the focus. Again, because any ray is coming from the focus, it will be reflected rays will be parallel to the principal axis. Parallel ray will be parallel to the reflected ray will be parallel to the principal axis. So our image will be just below this. ये एक्चुअली थोड़ा सा और मूव कराओ रिफ्लेक्टर रेस, क्योंकि इस एफ का so now this is your A B and it become A dash B dash. So what will be the position? What can you write in the सीधे image? Now here image will be at center of curvature only. Size of the image equal to the object, that is same size. आप इसे बोल सकते हो इन्वर्टेड है, रियल है. Now fourth number case, now look at here. It is your center of curvature. It is a focal point. It is a pole. Now, object is position is between center of curvature and focal. Up to this time, your condition are first infinity, then beyond center of curvature, then at center of curvature, and then object is at infinity. Object is beyond center of curvature. Third case, object is at center of curvature. Now, fourth number, object is in between C and F. अब ऑब्जेक्ट सी और सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर के बीच में होगा, ये दोनों इक्वल होना चाहिए, रे डायग्राम परफेक्ट बनेगा, नहीं तो बनने में दिक्कत होगी. Your object is here. Object is between it is your A and B. So how you are going to show that the ray? The first it will form, go to the parallel to the principal axis. It is your F. After reflection, it will cross the focal point. Now the second, you know that the rays is passing through the center of curvature. The same rays will go and on the same path. The ray which is passing through the center of curvature, the reflected rays will be on the same. Now, it is what A dash, AB, A and B, so it becomes A dash and B dash. The nature of image will be, fourth case, object is at it between center of curvature and focal point between C and F. Image will be beyond C, at beyond C. It will be image, nature of the size of the image, very large, compared to the object. Large compared to the object, and here inverted and real. Now fourth condition I have completed it. We will go to the fifth one. Let me take the chalk. Now children, you have written it. Let me go to the top. We will do the sonar. Now, fifth one. What is the fifth one? This is your concave mirror. Now, object will be at F. Now, as per this, it is center of curvature C and half is F. So, object is at F. Object is at F. Now, see that how it is happening. A parallel line after reflection it passes through the F focus. Now second, it passes through the center of curvature. It will be like this on the same path. It will be same path. So, what will be? The reflected rays is nowhere going to cut it, intersect it. So, image formation at infinity. Image formation will take place at infinity. And it will be highly enlarged, real inverted. It will be highly enlarged, real inverted and real. I told you. Real. Now 60 base. Six square. It is your principal axis. It is your principal axis. ठीक है? It is your pole. It is your center of curvature if you take it. C. And half of this is F. Now image object was at F. Now it will further move. Now object is between position of object is between F and P. Between focal and pole. ओके नाउ चिल्ड्रन, कल के क्लास में हमने तुम्हें बताया था हर चीज के बारे में। तो अभी अगला केस है तुम्हारा ऑब्जेक्ट इज बिटवीन फोकल पॉइंट एंड फोल। नाउ हाउ इमेज विल बी लुक एट इट। अब इसको समझने की कोशिश करो, कैसे इमेज बनाओ। ये पांचों को नोट कर लो, अगर कहीं पर डाउट है उस पॉइंट को भी आप मार्क कर लो। देन एवरी पॉइंट वी विल डिस्कस इट। तो कल मैंने बताया था एक तो सबसे पहला इस रेस को निकालो जो सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर से मिलते हुए क्रॉस करेगा और सेम पॉइंट पर ये रिवर्ट भी करेगा। दिस इज व्हाट एंड बियॉन्ड इमेज यू विल गो। एंड दूसरा है अब यहां से करोगे तुम पोल पर अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन इक्वल एंगल, यहां से इक्वल एंगल में यहां से भी रिफ्लेक्शन होगा और ये रिफ्लेक्टेड है। तो देखो एक तो तुम्हें मालूम है कि द रेज इज पासिंग थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, द सेम फॉर रिफ्लेक्शन आल्सो। इंसिडेंट एंड रिफ्लेक्टर बोथ विल फॉलो द सेंटर। And another, the angle I equal to angle R. So the image is not getting formed. Both, it will never intersect it. Now extend it. AB. Now here again A dash B dash. So one thing is very clear. Object will be at the other side of mirror. Other side of mirror. It is enlarged, erect. It is virtual. ये रियल नहीं होगा, साइज ऑफ इमेज इनलार्ज होगा, इरेक्ट होगा, वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट। इरेक्ट। तो ये आपने 6 पॉइंट पढ़ा और इसके सारे रे डायग्राम को बनाने की कोशिश करो। ये एक इंपॉर्टेंट है, 2-4 बार बनाओ। कल जो मैं प्रीवियस क्लास में, प्रीवियस लेक्चर में जो किया था, और इसे आप अच्छी तरह करें। नाउ डू दैट ऑल। Okay, thank you. Then we will go to the next class. I think it took more time, but we need to draw it. Thank you.